In this video, we will introduce property law. One way to understand property law is to view it as people's rights concerning things. There are three major types of property rights, including real property, personal property, and intellectual property. Real property law concerns people's rights with respect to land and everything attached to the land. Personal property usually refers to property not attached to land. And intellectual property concerns people's rights to their inventions and other creative efforts. Let's take a look at what we mean by rights concerning things. And we'll say Ali buys a house. Now, buying this property gives Ali a number of rights concerning the house and the land that the house is on. For example, Ali probably has a right to put a swimming pool on the land. He probably has the right to exclude people from the property, and he should have the right to sell the land and the house if he wants. But Ali doesn't have unlimited rights. By way of example, Ali won't have the right to turn his house into a zoo. So it's helpful to understand one person's rights to property in relation to other people's rights. Let's say Ali decides to allow Tom to stay in his house as a tenant. Now Tom has the right to stay in the house, and he may have the right to use certain things within the house. He might also have the right to exclude others from the property. But of course, Ali probably has greater rights or more rights to the property than Tom does. As an example, Tom as a tenant would not have the right to sell Ali's house. That's a power that would exclusively belong to Ali. To summarize, property law concerns people's rights to things. People may have right to real property, personal property, as well as intellectual property. Different people may have different rights concerning the same property, but some people will enjoy greater rights to the same property than others.